Ako ay nakagutom. Tara, magluto tayo.
Okay, so habang nakaganyan ang mukha ko, ito ang mga ingredients. 1 kilo of chicken breast, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of rock salt. So now, I'm wearing my apron and gloves. So, today we are cooking chicken tocino. First, we are going to put the brown sugar in the bowl, like this. Ta-da! Second, we are going to put the rock salt. Ta-da! It's rock salt. In the bowl also, with the brown sugar. Ta-da again. So now we are going to mix it. Mix it like that. Yeah. After mixing the brown sugar and the rock salt, we are going to get the chicken breast and put it in a container. Layer it, and in between the layers, we're going to add the mixture. After that, we are going to cover it and let it sit for 3 to 4 hours.
Habang naghihintay.
Can we talk closer now? Like let's do nothing but now. Get your heart out of my sleep. Cause to you is cloudy. The dream of fantasy. To be loving you, baby. You say you love me, I see no now.
Yo, girls don't be a ride or die, baby. Say good vibes only, everywhere I go. Let's kick it, girl, you my kitty dough. Take you places never been before.
Lulutuin na natin. Tongs! Ngayon, gagamitin natin ang tongs para kunin yung chicken breast at ilagay sa cooking pan. I do not know what I am saying here. Now, it is time for the plating. Let's start with the rice. Let's get the rice. Put it in this bowl. After that, we will flip the bowl over, just like this. Ta-da! And then after that, we are going to get the achara and just put one full spoon of it on the plate. Like this. Watch me. Boom! Ta-da! And then after that, we are going to get the cucumbers. I'm gonna use 3 in these, but it depends. It's optional if you want to use more or less. Put them like that. Well, I put them like that. So yeah. Next, well, we're going to wait for the chicken tocino to cook. Ngayon ay ibabaliktad. so much for watching.